Hey y'all, welcome back to episode 2 of Fashion Forward with Fearless Love. That is the name I decided to go with. Fashion Forward with Fearless Love. And if it changes, I'll let you know. Episode 2, however, here we go. Alright, oh shoot, my jewelry in the bag. I'll be back.
Like small promo clips for the show.
You can put words on it?
What?
I'm telling you. She can use the words?
She shouldn't. Because that can get your flag.
I told you, you're going to get flagged.
No, you're not.
Okay.
What you talking about?
Listen to the professionals that do
YouTube
this.
flag
But okay.
word.
Only instrumental.
Okay. Long story short, what they'll flag me for is the use of somebody's song without their permission.
But you have to type that in the description box. Cause I got plenty. See, I got plenty of video, like about 5 videos up with them dancing to the turkey dance. Like, explain all that.
They're not okay.
And today I got some more lovely jewelry to show to you guys tonight. Definitely stay tuned to the end of the show because I have a big announcement. All right, so let's get the show started. But you gotta stay tuned to the end. So the first set I'm gonna show is this purple set right here. Oh, okay. Look how beautiful. Can you see it? Okay, so I'm gonna have to put my hand right here so you can see it good. So it's this beautiful, gorgeous purple necklace set. My favorite color, one of my favorite colors, purple. And let's see, what's the name of this set called? The name of this set is called Clickbait. Definitely clickbait, I would agree. And that is clickbait. If you want it, go to my website, www.queenfearlesslove.com. www.queenfearlesslove.com. Here you go, boo. So the next necklace set is called That's Glow Biz. Okay? And it's beautiful. Again, spring necklace. Look at all the beautiful. And it has your extender right here, so you can wear it as long or as short as you want to. And it comes with your, like, what is this? I believe it's like a teal color. Teal glass ear bobs. And look at the colors on down. So look at it. I like that blue right there. Oh, I love that blue. Oh, look at that green. Oh my goodness. Look at that blue. This is just gorgeous, y'all. What's this called again? What's the name of it? So pretty. Look like some, I want to say Skittles.
Candy.
Some type of Jolly Rancher.
Sweethearts.
It does look like Sweet Tarts, but it looks more like Jolly Rancher colors. It's gorgeous. So yeah, that's that set. $5, nickel-free, lead-free. www.queenfearlesslove.com. Click on the paparazzi link, and it's yours. Or you can buy from me in person when you see me. Oh, I thought I had that one open. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I'll show that one next. This one's called Demi Diva. I like that. Demi Diva red necklace. So this is red. It looks kind of okay. So it looks like a I want to say it looks like a burnt orange looking color, but I don't know. It's red. I guess it's like that orange red looking color. It's pretty though. Very, very pretty. It's called, what's this called? Demi Diva. Small, cute little ear bobs to go with it. Straight down ear bobs. There you go. Of course, you have your, I believe that's 2-inch extender on the end, so you can wear this long or as short as you want. I prefer to wear this with short, with it like a t-shirt and some jeans. Be really cute with like a white tee for the spring with some white type stonewash denim jeans. That'd be really pretty with this right here. So there you go. Demi Diva, y'all. Check this out. Let me throw these in here too. These are paparazzi. I don't know what they're called. I guess we can call these them Fearless Love earrings. I wore these tonight. They're definitely paparazzi. If these are even still on the website, you can go to my site www.queenfearlesslove.com. Click on the paparazzi link, and it could be yours for $5. That's it. Just $5. All right. Speaking of this pretty pink, girl, look at this. Well, you're right on time with this one. Assistant Princess Monica, Gail, and assistant J Rich with the bomb lighting. So y'all, I have two assistants, J Rich and Princess Monica. J Rich provides me with my banging lighting. As you can see behind me, that pink, that pink paparazzi lighting. Yeah, that's all me right here. So as you can see, this one is called Top of the Pop Chart. You better believe it. Top of the Pop Charts. This is so like Nicki Minaj pink, like pop star Taylor Swift type. It look like Taylor Swift would wear this, huh? It does. Oh, Ariana Grande, definitely top of the pop charts. That's what it's called. Yeah, and it goes with these earrings that I got on them too. They're pretty. So you want them? $5, nickel free, lead free. All right, so I'm getting ready to show you this snapback bracelet. So cute. What's the name of this bracelet called? No, the point of it called hairspray, so I'm just gonna call this hustle. I like it because it just screams hustle. It does. If I can get you to see it without the, okay. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Move that out the way. This is called hustle. A hustle. Ooh, look at that. Ain't it pretty? And let me see. Let me try to snap this on so y'all can see it. Ain't like y'all already know what this look like on. I know everybody watching knows what this look like on, but I'm just gonna try it on anyway for y'all on my little small wrist. Hold on.
Very good. Very good.
Okay. Look at that, y'all. That's called hustle. Okay. And I love hustle. I love to hustle. I like that. It's pretty. That's called ninth ward hustle. Next is sugar coated sparkle. Let me hold on. This one's called Sugar Coated Sparkle. Oh, look at this. Y'all know I'm here for the bling, right? Yes, I'm here for the bling. Sugar Coated Sparkle. I don't want to put this one down. I think I'm going to keep this one myself. Can y'all see it? Ooh. So what would, okay, so what would you wear this with, Princess?
A necklace just like it.
Yeah, with the necklace, like, but with what? Would you put this on with like jeans?
Yes, a denim jacket.
A denim jacket, that'd be pretty with it, huh? It would be. So this is called Sugar Coated Sparkle. The bling is mine. All right. This was called A Good Man. What is hard to find? A Good Man. The mandala is hard to find. So we're just gonna call this A Good Man is Hard to Find. Okay. This bracelet is called A Good Man is Hard to Find. Okay. That's so not true. There are good men everywhere in this world. You just got to be in the right place at the right time. Okay? That's all. If you're looking at the clubs, you ain't gonna, well, no, it's not true. There are good men in the club, but you're not likely to find your husband in the club. But yeah, a good man, they say a good man is hard to find. I don't believe that. I know plenty of good men. My husband is one of them. I have a good man right here. I know plenty of good men. So a good man is not hard to find. It's not true. The thing is, he has to find you. That's the thing. If he doesn't find you, and that's just my little, what do you call that, side note? Yeah, because, you know, the name of the thing is A Good Man's Hard to Find, so I just throw that in there. It's not true. All right. Back to selling the jewels. Yeah, A Good Man's Hard to Find. Try it on for y'all. You want it, you can buy it from me in person. Or you go to my website, www.queenfearlesslove.com, click on the paparazzi link. And it can be yours for just $5. plus tax, so it's gonna be $550, okay? This was called Wedding Waltz. So, you know when the bride dances with her father or whichever man that gave her away down the aisle, and she does the waltz. This is the bracelet that you're gonna wear. So, this matter of fact, there should be a lot of summer weddings coming up. So, this would be perfect for all type of like galas or just to put on. Like I said, once again, you put this on with jeans and a tee and be just as cute. Yeah, but it's called like Summer Waltz. It's so beautiful. It has that pearl right there in the middle, which I love pearls. And it has the little rhinestones at the back, which I like to call them diamonds, not rhinestones. Okay. Can this fit my little small? Yes, it can. Wow. It actually fits my wrist. But it's adjustable, as you can see. Look how adjustable it is, so it can fit your wrist too. You want it? $5, nickel free, lead free. $5 plus tax. This is some amazing, fabulous jewelry here. Some more blingy, blingy, blingy. What's the name of these? Gala Go Getter. Right. Gala Go Getter. I know that's right. Gala Go Getter. Because if you're a go getter, you definitely want a pair of these. You definitely want a pair of these if you're a go getter. Okay? They're so pretty. I'm trying to get it to, oh, right there. That's it. I think you can see them good right there, okay? Or do I need to bring them in some more? Right there. They're so beautiful. Look at that. Stop traffic with these. Gala Go Getter. It's so pretty. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep these for myself. So if you just want them, you just go to my website, like queenfearlesslove.com and everything, and get them. But yeah, these. So you can't get these from me in person because I'm gonna keep these. Okay. All right. Let's say. Let me know when I'm on my last piece now. All right. So what's these called? Let's see. Take a vow. Again with the wedding stuff. Take a vow. So these are like pearl in the middle. So these are like pearl in the middle with diamonds all around it. Oh my goodness, look at this. So pretty. Take a vow. So where do I wear these to? You can wear these with like a blazer, a V-neck tee, some jeans, with your little strappy heels, and your little rip cut in the jeans. I guess there's plenty of ways you can style these earrings. Called Gala on the Go. Or you can wear them with your church dress, you know. I hope y'all can see these. It's like, okay.
Oh, where I put the ring on? Got real 16
I don't like
candles.
that.
Got very 16 candles in here. Put the one, I mean.
There's very 16 candles. 16 candle-ish in here. Okay, that's not the music.
I got it.
But I like 16 candles though, I do.
Oh, that's really nice.
Go DJ. They're my DJ. Did we show this? We did? Oh, we showed that? Okay. So we're almost done, huh? So I cannot do a paparazzi show. I cannot do a paparazzi show in the quiet. I can't.
I think it
What is that? Shot right. Anyway.
Oh, I hate that. Too calm for you?
Get the over this on dog.
Oh, I didn't. I mean, about to go out anyway.
Okay, so this ring is called Take a Vow. A vow to what? Oh, vow to wow. Okay, I thought it said take a vow. Vow to wow.
Pause.
Why?
Because the music is overpowering your voice. You're having to speak louder than the music. You need to turn it down a little bit.
Just a little bit. And start it over. That's too low. I can't hear that. All right there. Now start it over.
You don't need the music to overpower your speaker.
It's not. I'm way up here. The speaker's right there.
Man.
All right, so this is called Vow to Wow, right? It's pretty, has a little pretty pearl in the middle with the little diamonds around it, as you can see. If you want it, it's just $5. You can go to my website, www.queenfearlesslove.com, or you can get it in person from me, $5 plus tag, which is gonna be $5.50. And you know something? This goes with the other jewelry I just showed before this, like the earrings. What else I showed before this that matches this?
The bracelet.
It was like the bracelet, the earrings. Yeah, she put them up already. But look, let's see.
It's just earrings.
You can also get it like as a set. Oh, this would be so cute with some like jeans and a t-shirt. Just these two right here. Look at that.
Yeah.
Together, like so pretty. With a pair of little pumps, jeans. You can do dress. You can do it blazer. You can do it anything really. Anything. You can do it with the shirt I got on here. Just anything. The thing about diamonds and pearls, you can dress them up or dress them down. So, queenfearlesslove.com. Click on the paparazzi link. It can be yours for just $5. All right. Is this the last piece?
Mm-hmm.
All right. This is called Tie the Knot. We're gonna have a lot of weddings this summer. A lot of weddings got canceled due to the. I'm not even gonna speak what's going on right now because I don't give no more light to that thing than it already has. So due to what's going on right now, a lot of weddings were canceled, and a lot or not, like for the fall. Okay, so this is pretty. This is called Tie the Knot. Okay, so what color? Ooh, look at these diamonds in it. Diamonds and pearls. Definitely our girl's best friend, right? And then you have the little pearl. They call them ear bobs. The small pearl earrings go with it. Or look it up with these. Look at that. Boom. See, I got you always. I got you. All right. So you want it? $5 plus tax. www.queenfearlesslove.com. Click on the paparazzi link and it can be yours for just $5 plus tax. $5.50. Yeah. So I think that's gonna be it for tonight. Any questions? Hit me in the DMs. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share this video. And I'll see you in episode 3. Peace.